trick, no diaper. Yes! Henry, everybody! Henry, thank you very much.
But here's to the most beautiful industry. Last year, the structural steel industry was $120 billion. I don't know if you guys are aware of it, but $120 billion in 2024. In the next 7 years, they predict 7 to 10 years, it doubles. So I'm sure all of us here in America, we do very well.
To this country, I used to think Americans deserved free health care. And then I took a look at it and I thought, oh, we can't afford that. That would bankrupt this country in a month.